Debbie with Kip's Corner. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome, and thanks for joining me. I have one last project to show you that I finished for 2025. I'm just now getting a chance to record. This is a mantel clock that did not have a clock on the inside, and it had an inset kind of here where the clock sat. And so one of my brothers cleaned that out for me, widened that opening, smoothed that out, restained it, and we now, that gave me this completely empty mantel clock, what used to be a mantel clock base, to create a vignette in. And so I drilled 2 holes in the bottom, and I've got lights affixed that come up through the top, and they're on the 2 trees. So hopefully you can see that. There you go. I painted the inside blue. Then I put snow down in the base. Then the 2 trees with the lights on it are Tim Holtz trees. They're white, or they started off white. And I painted those green, or used sprays to get the green on them. Added the lights, bringing the lights up through the bottom. The switch to the lights is down here. Let's see if I can find it here. Here it is. Down here at the bottom. I'll turn those off for a moment. There we go. And then I put snow in the bottom. I put little baubles in the bottom. I added more trees back into the back, and I just cut them shorter so that they would fit back there. And then I added, this is Deco Art Snow Tex. I added the snow here and around the back ring. And then I cleaned up the outer wood nicely, left it pretty much, I didn't do anything to the wood. It was gorgeous. But I did on the silver pieces here, they were, they were a little worn. And so I painted those with black gesso and then went back over them with metallic waxed in old silver. And so they look great. I didn't do anything to the feet. I did add some felt to the bottom of the feet. And now what I'm going to do is set this up. This is huge. This is about 20 inches wide, and she's about 10 inches tall, and 4 3/4-ish, 4.5 wide. So nice big piece. Now I'm going to take the camera down and kind of pan through it while it's sitting up, because it's so much easier to see it than it is laying down on the ground. So hold on one moment. And there's some wear on the wood, but that's gorgeous. That adds to its beauty. You can see here. There we go. And then inside. And deep down in there, you can see the little baubles down there. 2 deer, and there's trees back in the back. Hopefully this isn't making anybody sick. Trees back in the back. And then we have the other side. And I'll pan out now so you can see all of it in its glory. Just a fun little project. It didn't take terribly long. I saw this mantelpiece. I think I got it from, I got it from Patty Lang at Sacred Mementos a year ago, a little over a year ago. And because the work needed to be done to open up that opening and get rid of the inset where the clock set and held in there, I was not able to work on it last year. And so I've been holding it till I could work on it this year. And I got her done. So there she is, the little winter vignette. That's it. That's the last project for 2025. I will be back soon. I'm getting ready to start new projects. And so I'll see you then. Bye-bye.